trader dreams of mastering the market. But Jesse Livermore didn't try to master it. He tried to understand its heartbeat. Because he knew the market wasn't a machine to be beaten, it was a living organism to be read. The first time I read Livermore's story, I wasn't looking for inspiration. I was looking for answers. Answers to why we win, why we lose, and why the market seems to know exactly when we're at our weakest. And then it hit me. Livermore's success wasn't about predicting price, it was about predicting people. He was born in 1877, long before computers, charts, or algorithms. Yet he made and lost fortunes trading the ticker tape, relying only on his observation of crowd behavior. He once said, "There is nothing new on Wall Street. There can't be, because human nature doesn't change." And that single sentence might be the most powerful trading rule ever written. Think about that for a second. In every era, from the roaring 1920s to today's crypto bull runs, the same forces move the market: greed, fear, hope, and desperation. You can change the tools, the brokers, even the technology, but not the psychology. Livermore treated trading like a science of emotion. He studied how people reacted to profits and losses, how panic spread like fire, and how confidence inflated bubbles that always burst. He didn't just watch prices rise and fall, he watched people's minds rise and fall. And that's the foundation of trading like a true market legend. Not chasing signals, not hunting news, but developing the rare ability to feel the crowd and still stay separate from it, to see the emotion without becoming part of it. He believed that the market would always tell you what you needed to know, if only you could silence your own voice long enough to hear it. That's what he meant when he said, "The market is never wrong, opinions often are." Most traders, especially in the modern world, come to the market looking for certainty. They want an indicator that never fails, a system that always wins. But Livermore didn't play that game. He didn't chase perfection, he chased probability. He learned that consistency wasn't about knowing what would happen, but about knowing how you would react when it did. Trading like Jesse Livermore isn't about timing the market, it's about timing yourself. When to act, when to sit still, when to endure the noise without moving an inch. Because the greatest edge in this game isn't in your screen, it's in your self-control. So let me ask you this, when you look at the market, do you see prices or do you see emotions? Comment your answer below, because that one distinction could change everything. Next, we step into the conflict every trader faces, the battle between patience and impulse. The paradox that Jesse Livermore wrestled with his entire life. Why waiting is the hardest and most profitable move you'll ever make.